Hi there, I'm Dr. Taz, and I'm an integrative physician here talking about the immune system, which seems to be so important right now with everything that's going on. But there are ways for you to control your immune system. Remember, the immune system is made up of a network of cells and tissues and organs that really help us to fight off infection. And many people don't realize that the immune system is our vital sign. Well, here's what you can do when it comes to immune support. One of the key principles is having a good, healthy diet and getting in the nutrients that you need for immune support. Now, the standard American diet, it is tough to get those nutrients in. So that's where supplementing with a good multivitamin is helpful. I like using Rainbow Life's multivitamin. It comes in a form for women, men, and children. But the key is it contains the ingredients necessary for good immune function, like vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, and selenium. So that's one and something that we can control. A second factor when it comes to good immune health and overall healthy immune functioning is your digestive health. Almost 70% of the immune system is in your gut, and many people don't realize that. The gut is made up of all these microbes or microbiome that help to balance so many different processes in the body. So taking a good quality probiotic is essential. I like Renew Life's probiotic. It contains B. lactis, and that's a strain that actually helps fight off respiratory pathogens, which is of course appropriate with the current environment and what we're all dealing with right now. So taking a good probiotic, I think, is essential when it comes to a conversation on immune function. And last but not least, stress is everywhere. I've talked to so many people and they're anxious and they're stressed and they're not sleeping and so many other issues on their minds, and I get that. But one of the things we can do is to supplement with some magnesium. Magnesium is a miracle micronutrient, and it's actually responsible for so many different processes in the body, one of which includes how we manage stress and how we manage our overall feelings of well-being and anxiety. Natural Calm makes a great magnesium product that's easy to use. You simply dissolve the powder into hot or cold water. There's some different flavors as well there, and that's one way we can get some of this magnesium into our system. So thinking through those things that are helpful when it comes to wanting to know what we can do, what can we control in an environment where it feels like so much is out of our control. If you'd like more information on these products, then please go to Amazon.com. You can also go to RenewLife.com, NaturalVitality.com, and RainbowLight.com.